right, we are looking at Unit 9, Lesson 2, and I'm looking specifically at question number 3. And I've already drawn the graph here for AB and CD, and we have 2 line segments. And so the question says to prove that CD bisects AB. Now take notice that CD clearly is not cut in half. I'm just trying to prove that AB is cut in half. And if AB was cut in half, then the point that they cross at this point should be the midpoint of the 2 line segment, or of the segment AB. So I'm going to try to verify that by finding the midpoint from A to B. So to prove that AB is bisected, I'm going to find the midpoint, or show that these are the same length. So to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to count the distance to go from A to B. Basically, I'm counting the rise and the run. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So up 8, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. And so, oops, 4, not 8. And so to find the midpoint, I'm just going to go halfway. And so instead of going up 8, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of going to the right 4, I'm going to go to the right 2. And voila, here's my midpoint. I'm going to write the coordinates of that midpoint, which are 1, 0. And so now what does this mean? I need to do a little bit more work here than just finding that midpoint. So I'm going to say the midpoint of AB is 1, 0. All right, so that's the first thing I found. Then I'm going to say that CD intersects AB at 1, 0. CD intersects AB at 1, 0. And then I'm going to write a conclusion. Remember, we talked about these 3 little dots mean, therefore, CD bisects AB. And that's it.